Brocade mother of the bride gowns are for women who want to look elegant, confident, and unforgettable on the wedding day. This rich fabric has raised patterns that catch the light and make every step feel special. On My Day, My Choice, we talk about style that respects your age and power. Before we start, remember to like, share, and subscribe. First, understand what brocade is. Brocade is a thick woven fabric with patterns that look raised on the surface. It often mixes threads that catch light, like metallic gold or silver. This fabric holds its shape well, so your gown keeps a clean outline. For a mother of the bride, brocade gives dignity and structure, instead of floppy fabrics that cling or wrinkle easily under bright lights and long hours. Next, choose color with care. Brocade already has strong texture, so your shade should support, not fight it. Soft champagne, silver, and dove gray feel calm but still formal. Deep navy, forest green, or burgundy look rich without shouting. Avoid bright white or ivory so you do not copy the bride. Now think about shape. Brocade is structured so it works best in simple, clean lines. A-line gowns skim the body and balance the hips. A tailored sheath can look sharp if you prefer a narrow outline. Avoid too many pleats or bulky gathers, which turn heavy in brocade. Check that you can sit, stand, and hug people comfortably, without the skirt pulling or the bodice digging into ribs or shoulders. Sleeves and neckline control how formal and confident you feel. 3/4 sleeves in brocade give coverage without looking strict. Short sleeves work for warmer climates but still hide the upper arm. A V-neck opens the chest area and slims the neck. A bateau neckline feels classic and church-friendly. Brocade mother of the bride gowns gives structure, drama, and respect without trying to look like the bride herself. Choose color, shape, pattern, and accessories with calm, logical steps, and the gown will support you through every part of the wedding. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below, and I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.